kanan. Ready. Number 1.
On his pitch, he placed the ball carefully.
Okay, the correct answer is right. Placed. Number 2.
The people polled about the tax were upset.
Ya, di sini jawaban yang benar adalah right, sebelah kanan. Pulled. Number 3.
He wondered if the suit would be ready in time.
The correct answer is suit. The left. Yang kiri. Okay, number 4.
The day for the party was perfect.
Okay, the correct answer is right. Day. Okay, number 5.
The lot you wanted is finally on sale.
Here the correct answer is right. Lot. Number 6.
He couldn't get the black tape off his shoulder.
Okay, here the correct answer is left. Tape.
The golfer was thrilled with the shop.
Okay, here the correct answer is shop. Right. Number 8 now.
The duck food was an unusual color.
Okay, here the correct answer is right. Food. Number 9.
I know if I want, I could play in the tournament.
Okay, here the correct answer is left. 1. Okay, number 10.
Although you expect a forest, instead you will see a lake.
Okay, here the correct answer is right. Instead. Okay, thank you. Anda sudah melaksanakan listening discrimination.